Hi, welcome to ManagerSolutions. Today we're looking at libraries. Libraries are one of the most important parts of every business. They allow you to search and find relevant information in a quick and easy manner. We've all been in the situation where we've put documents into our computers and then not been able to find them. The reason we can't find them is that we've not filed them correctly. So taking the time to build a good library system is critical. To build your library system, you go onto the library setting, click on any one of the different libraries. We've got personal libraries, which is your own personal material that is exclusive to you, obviously. We've got company libraries. If you are badging one of our system libraries, then that's a company version library. You can also build questionnaires, and you can also create tutorials, which we'll talk about later. Today we'll look at the company library and how to build a good company library. Within the company library, we've built a filing system for you. So just like when you were at school, you would walk into the library at school and they would have the Dewey Decimal System running. Online, we have a library system where you start with your business. This is a list of the products and services that your business has available or your department has available. We have used an example of financial planning where the products and services are financial planning, practice development, dealer group services, association services. So these represent the services that are offered, and then the products that are offered include investments, superannuation, insurance, lending, and self-managed superannuation fund. So in business, you get to create a list of the primary products and services that your business provides, and that's important because you can then filter by those business categories. The second thing that we put in place is the category. Now the category defines the work type that is being done, and this is a generic list that everybody uses. Irrespective of which business you're in, all of those different components will play some part in your business, so you can categorize by your work type. The third part of the filing system is called stage, and this relates directly to your business type. So you'll find that with each of your business types, whether it's a product or service, there are different stages. So to give you an example, in financial planning, your stage is building a financial plan, servicing a client, creating a relationship that's business to business, which might be a business referral partner, and then growing that business referral relationship. So financial planning has different clearly defined stages that people can look at and file by. If we then look at building the plan, you'll find that each primary stage in any business also then has different sub-stages or modules, we've called them. So if we were to talk about building a financial plan, then we can look at all the modules, and you'll see that the first module may be getting started with a client, followed by the first meeting, followed by analysis and solution development, followed by presenting a solution to the client, then solution assessment, confirmation and negotiation of whatever you're dealing with, implementing the advice, and then perhaps providing the client the opportunity to create an evaluation. So by building your own system where you have your own modules, stages, categories and business, you are creating a very intelligent and intuitive filing system. Let's have a look at what then happens if we click on Getting Started and we search for documents. You will find that there are a handful of documents that are already in the system, but this is where you can add documents. So automatically the system is saying these are the different documents that are relevant to getting started building a financial plan. You can add new documents, and when you add new documents after they've been categorized, you will see a screen that appears, and it shows you that category has already been captured, then it asks you what type of file you're putting in place. Is it a knowledge document, which is an education and training document? Is it an example, or is it a template? So you can choose the type of document, which is very important because then it allows you to filter by different types of documents. If you are wanting to share this document that you're filing with other people, then you click on public, and that will automatically allow you to share that document with other people in your networks. You then put in a file description, which maybe this is a sample document, and then you hit add document. You can see here that this is a sample document comes up, and it comes up in red because you've not attached the document to your filing system. So you've actually done the most important part, which is build your file category. Now you choose your file, and you can either put a file in, you can create questionnaires and put them in, or if you want to create a link, you can put it in as a URL. And a URL is a file. And then I click update library entity, and it changes color, and now you can see that this document exists in the library. If I want to delete the document, I just click on the garbage bin, and the document then becomes inactive. So rather than being archived, it just becomes inactive, so nobody can see it. So that's how you build your library system. If you've got large batches of libraries when you're first starting up, then we can help you to do a bulk dump of lots of documents all at once into the system so that you don't have to do them one at a time.